All right, question number 9. Goal is to get it down to a single log. So we've got to use all our properties. And first step would be make these numbers in front up into exponents. So that would become log x squared minus log y to the fifth plus log z. Okay, and so now we're just going to combine these three parts. And anytime you have a minus between them, that's going to become a divide, and with a plus, it's going to become multiply. So when we write it as a single log, we're going to divide the x squared and the y to the fifth, and we've got to multiply that by z. And so I've had a few people ask, like, does the multiply z come up here or down here? And basically what we're doing is we're taking x squared over y to the fifth times z, and if I make that into the fraction, that'd be z over 1. So when you multiply across, you end up with the z up top. So draw it out like this if that helps you figure it out. But we get x squared times z over y to the fifth. And that's what it'll look like in a nice clean version.